Hey guys, what's up? It's Ty here with Souls and Suds. Today I'm going to be showing you how to reduce or remove creases from your sneakers. So let's get right into it. As you can see, these Jordan 1 lows are heavily creased. These were destroyed when I got them. I've now cleaned them kind of, but as you can see the creasing is very bad, so today we're going to be fixing that. It's honestly really simple and easy. You just want to be careful with your shoes. You just need some towels or any type of socks, clothing, whatever you have to push into the actual toe box. A damp cloth. This is a cloth I put in water and then wring it out so it's damp, it's wet. And then what you need is an iron. The iron is what's going to do the actual removal of creasing. You do want to be very careful though with the iron because obviously it's hot, so it can damage your shoe. You just want to make sure you know what material you're using it on, and you want to be sure to use that damp towel to be very careful. When the shoes are really creased like this, it is hard to get all of the creases out. It's just so damaged. We are going to make an attempt today, and as you will see in the video, it's definitely going to help. But the first step is to just shove all of your towels into the toe box. You want to make sure it's flat, and there's a way you can push on the toe box with the iron. So as you can see, I've made it flat, and now there's a way I can push on the toe box with the iron. So now the next step is to just get your damp towel, make sure you wring it in water and then wring it out. You don't want it to be too wet, but this is to protect the shoe from the heat of the iron. Then the final step is to just get your iron, turn it on, and start pressing down on the toe box. You want to make sure you're not doing too long because then it will damage the shoe. Just do short intervals and make sure you're doing different parts of the wet towel so it stays damp. And this is the second shoe. I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm just ironing out on top of that damp towel. There's other cloths in the actual toe box to keep pressure, and I'm just ironing out those creases. The final thing I would recommend is to let the towels stay in the shoe until they've cooled down from the heat. And here are the results. As you can see, they have made such a big difference. There's not perfect. As you can see, this shoe still does have that really big divot. It's not nearly as bad as it was before, and it's much improved, but I mean, it's not perfect. I'm definitely happy with the results. If you appreciate this video, please let me know down below. If you have any other questions, let me know. And this is just showing the towels aren't in there. I'm wiggling it around with my fingers. So it really does work. I appreciate all of your time, and catch you on the next one.